So it's been a while since I've felt like flying a drone. I've had some personal issues and a lot of things going on. I just haven't felt like it. Fast forward to recently, I decided to pack my drone on a recent trip and I just had a blast flying it. It felt like old times. There is an announcement about potentially banning DJI drones. I've heard about this in the past and nothing came of it. But recently, there has been introduced by Representative Elise Stefanik out of New York called the Countering CCP Drones Act. And potentially, this could cause a ban by adding DJI drones to a list that the FCC maintains, basically would prevent it from being able to use communications, which means you basically can't use it. And the reason is because they fear that DJI drones are providing infrastructure and these drones are spying on us and providing information to China. And there are talks from two Congress folks. It is from Elise Stefanik as well as Representative John Molinar, who state that you can use Skydio drones because they're made in America. Well, Skydio basically announced that they do not make consumer drones anymore and they're going into enterprise. So where does that leave folks that want to buy consumer drones and have that consumer drone price point from DJI? The state of New York signed a contract with Skydio, and Representative Stefanik has a relationship. And so it's very disappointing that Skydio gets out of the consumer game and then tries to take out DJI through lobbying, contracts, and through their connections. So I'm interested to see what happens. I'm disappointed because, like I said, it's been a while since I flown my drone. I've used my drone for different content projects as I'm a content creator online on social media, and it has definitely helped me improve my vlogs, my videos, and some of the projects that I've worked on. I'm hoping for the best. I know, this could take some time to go into effect, but it just stinks. There is Drone Advocacy Alliance website, and you can go there to voice your concerns and find out what you can say to your representatives. If you're interested, I'll leave the information in the description of this video. Out of all the things that are going on in the world right now, they're taking the time to address DJI drones. And this puts us at a point where if they are now just going with Skydio, basically this goes into just enterprise only drones. And oftentimes, as depending on what type of work you're doing, you always don't need an enterprise drone. And then this lets me, I'm just like, out of all the devices that you think are spying on you, for one, we have phones, everything spies on me. I was basically in my house today. I had a relative over and their photo popped up on someone else's page that I don't even follow. But it's just crazy to me how all these other devices are spying on us, but yet they're going after drones, and how this can affect the industry. There are first responders that have put together a response to this, and that would affect about 90% of their operations. I think that it's unfortunate because there's a lot of misinformation about drones. And to say that, oh, Skydio is better, it's just that's some information that they were fed, and that's just something they were going on only because Skydio is made in the US. And I have not personally flown a Skydio drone. I just know when I looked at the prices, I gravitated more to DJI for the ease of use. There are just so many other things that we can be concerned about so I'm hoping that this doesn't go through, but there's so much misinformation. I've seen folks on Twitter saying Skydio makes better consumer drones right here in the US. And I'm like, these people are clearly not really affected by this decision, because if you are a drone owner, drone flyer, you know that Skydio doesn't make consumer drones anymore. And it's so obvious what's going on. They say that this will cause for better competition. And I'm like, how? What have they done so far to get to this place where, if this goes into effect in 2025, who's going to step up to the plate to fill that void for DJI products? I don't know which company that is. It's unfortunate. I hope it doesn't become unlawful for the current models that are out there. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And so we'll see what happens. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for drone tips, drone news, and I'll see you later. Bye.